Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice kind of methodical, slow, whatever you want to call it, grind in the upwards direction. There haven't been any massive movements. I mean, there's been some good solid candles, don't get me wrong, but it's nothing like in the past where this thing has exploded upwards. And some would argue, and I don't think I would argue against it, that sometimes these nice, slow, methodical grinds, that's the name of the game. That's how you build the healthy uptrends. And that's what's been definitely going on the past couple of days. So to kind of start things off here, that's really kind of the overall premise right now is that, yeah, the price is itself slowly working its way upwards. Fireworks? Probably not, but it's making progress. And at the end of the day, when all the dust is settled, that's what matters is the price making progress in the upwards direction, assuming, of course, you're bullish. And yeah, it has been over the past couple of days. You have the trend line there. And then when you just simply use kind of, well, where have the lows been? You can see quite clearly that the lows also have been nice in their stair-step fashion, and that's what you want to see. So as far as support levels, certainly preferably speaking, the level that you would want to see hold, I can't really assign a numerical value to because it's a trend line here that's going to be changing as time goes by, because as time goes by, that line gets higher and higher. If you want kind of more of a static level, meaning it doesn't change with time, the preferable area that you would want to see hold going forward would be right up around $3.05. So keep an eye on that. So I do bring that up because I don't want to come across like if the price breaks below that trend line that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. And while I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, the price could still technically come down here, break through the trend line there, go down to 305 and then get a bounce up from that point. Even at that junction in time, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. You envision those as stair steps, and the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So it's not like that's a do or die level or anything like that. But yeah, what would make the chart look the healthiest? Definitely if the price can stay up above the trend line. In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, right now the key level of resistance seems to be right up there around $3.20, give or take a little bit. But if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see the price has been up around this area several times, and that has been, the thorn in the side of the chart. So keep an eye on that. But overall, like I said, the price is grinding its way upward. So as long as the price continues to build those higher bases, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.